YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Check this one out, y'all. Today we're gonna do us an old school sandwich. I ain't had this sandwich, man, in a long time. How many of y'all ever had the old school Chuckwagon sandwich? That's what I'm talking about. You remember when Mama and them used to cook them things back in the days in the iron skillet or whatever, they fried it, and then they went on and took some of that loaf, two slices of that loaf bread, throw some mayo on it, with some lettuce, tomatoes, hit a little salt, pepper on that thing. Sometimes they throw onions on them. Them was the old school sandwiches, the old school Chuckwagon. So look, check this out. I went and I found, man, some Chuckwagon patties, all right? One thing that's funny about these that's always been a mystery to me was, what did they ever make these out of? I never knew. But then right here it says like Chuckwagon beef patty fritters. So we're gonna go ahead, y'all, and I'm gonna do these babies up real quick, and I'm gonna hook it up the old school way. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna prep up the lettuce and the tomatoes, and I'm gonna do this baby in the air fryer. So it's gonna be something quick, simple, and it's gonna take me back to my childhood memories. Y'all come on, walk with me now. Here we go, let's go. If you guys got some knives that need to be sharpened, please check out knifeaid.com. They did a real good job on my knives. I'm telling you, I had these sent out a few weeks back. And as you can see, they cutting through this here tomato like butter. I'm really excited about this here. So if you got some knives that need to be sharpened, check out knifeaid.com. And I'm not getting sponsored by these people at all. I spent my own money just to have these knives sharpened. So I'm slicing up some tomatoes, and I also shredded up some lettuce just so I could put on my Chuckwagon sandwich. And I'm telling you, y'all, this is going to be a good tasting sandwich. I haven't had these in a long time. So I'm throwing the Chuckwagon patties in the air fryer, and I'm setting the air fryer temperature to about 350 degrees, and I'm setting it at about 10 minutes, but it took me at least around about 15 minutes to cook fully. All right, so I got me some Sara Lee hamburger buns. I just love these here buns. And I'm also gonna spread some of this here Miracle Whip on here. And please, y'all, don't come at me. I know you guys love Duke's mayonnaise and Hellman's mayonnaise, but I was raised up off of this here Miracle Whip. And I just love it. And there's nothing wrong with Duke's or Hellman's, you understand what I'm saying? So you could definitely use the spread of your choice. Now with that, I'm gonna toss on some of this here lettuce, and then I'm gonna also toss on some tomatoes on this bun to make a good, awesome Chuckwagon sandwich, y'all. So I ended up spreading some melted butter on both sides of these here Chuckwagon patties just so I could help crisp it up just a little bit. But come to find out, you didn't have to do that because all you had to do was just let them cook in the air fryer as is, and they would definitely crisp up during the cooking process. So I'm adding some slices of cheese on mine, and my wife didn't want no cheese on hers, so she just liked hers pretty much plain Jane, and this is what she's getting. This is her single, and she really enjoyed her Chuckwagon sandwich. You know what I'm saying? She said it brought back her childhood memories of eating these. So I added mine to the air fryer, and if you guys use the air fryer, you know that fan will definitely blow that cheese off of anything. So I had to place that cheese back on, and I'm telling you, I made me a double Chuckwagon sandwich. And when I tell you guys that this thing was hitting, it was hitting. And for that last Chuckwagon that I had, I prepared that sucker for the next day for a breakfast sandwich, and it was bussin'. So go try out some of your local meat markets to see if they have some Chuckwagon patties on hand. If so, y'all get in there, man, and throw some in the air fryer and make you a killer sandwich. You will never regret it. And this did bring back all my childhood memories of eating a Chuckwagon sandwich. And I'm going right back to get me a couple of packs of these babies because they was good. Hey, but thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I want you guys to please leave a comment below, hit that like button, and also give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your family and friends, all right? Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys. Until we see you next time. Peace.